Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambal. I'm going to explain you how to convert a fraction to a percent. If the denominator is like a 20, 25 or 50, like that. Okay. So this fraction we need to write as a percent, 17 over 25. So 20, we will look at the denominator. Denominator is actually if you multiply the denominator by 4, you can make the denominator to 100. So we will write
Hi,
as
this
the
is your
equivalent
Professor
fraction
Sudha
by
Kolathuparambal. I am going to
multiplying
explain
top
you
and
how
bottom
to
by the
interpret
same
a pie
number.
chart. In a
So
recent phone
multiply
survey,
top
the
by 4
people
and denominator
were
by
asked to state
4.
their favorite type
So
of
you will get
television show.
68 over
The
100.
pie chart below
68 over
summarizes the
100 and
response of
fraction
those
is same
surveyed.
as
So you can
68%.
see the favorite type of television show:
So our
comedy,
approach
news,
is make this
documentary,
denominator
sports, other, and
to
drama.
100.
So which category
So multiply
was
top and
chosen?
bottom by the same
Approximately the
number so that the
1/4 of
denominator will be 100.
those surveyed. So
Then
one
convert that
fourth
into percent.
means if you this is a
Let's look
whole
at one
circle,
more
if you divide
example.
into four parts, which one is
26 over
approximately the 1/4
20.
of the circle.
So
So
look at the
look like that
denominator.
is comedy.
Denominator is
So I'm going to
20. So
select
if you
that is
multiply the
comedy.
denominator by 5, the denominator will be
We are approximating, so comedy,
100.
this section is
So
very close to
multiply
the
the
one
top
fourth of
also
the
by
circle.
5.
Okay, this is bigger, the more than 1/4. That's why I didn't choose that. This is less than
So you
1/4
will get
size.
130 over 100.
Question number B is approximately
In
what
percent,
percent
it is
of those surveyed
130%. We can
chose
look
the
at one more
documentary
example.
or sports? Approximately what
34 over
percent?
50.
So
So if you multiply
the
by
documentary and
2,
sports.
the denominator will be 100. So multiply the top also by 2. So can you guess the answer?
If you add these
So
together, that
34
makes
times 2.
is that it is still less than 1/4 of the circle, right? So I'm going to choose that as maybe
So we
not
need to write this
25%,
as a
maybe
percent. So
20% of that.
attach the percent sign,
Because
then
one
check.
fourth is actually 25%. Okay, half is 50%, so 1/4 is 25%. So this documentary and sports together, um, that is less than 25%. So that's why I'm choosing 20%. If 60% of those surveyed choose news, approximately what percent choose drama? So they are saying this one is 60%, this entire this sector that is 16%. So drama looks twice of the news, right? This if you look at the size of each sector or compare the size of each sector. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. So 16 times 2 is 32. So I'm going to make it 32%. So let me check my answers and see whether all my guess is correct. So I got all correct. So now let's look at the next question. Okay, this pie chart shows the percent of total revenue that publisher receives from the favorite from various types of publication. So which category accounts for approximately 1/3 of the publisher's total revenue? 1/3. So 1/3 means if I divide the entire circle into three parts, it should be equal to the 1/3. So this looks like 1/4. So I'm going to, this is bigger than 1/4, so that will be 1/3. So that is cookbooks. Next is approximately what percentage of the total revenue comes from the paperbacks and poetry combined. So these two together, I can see that that is a little bit less than 25% or 1/4 of the circle. So that means that is 20%. I'm going to guess that 20% approximately. If the revenue from textbook is 18%, so if this is 18%, what is the total revenue from non-fiction? So if I compare these two, so from here to here, you can see that one, two, three. Textbook is 3 times of the notification, right? So if this is 18%, this should be 1/3 of that. So 18 divided by 3, that is approximately 6%. Okay. Because if this is 6, this is 3 times of that. So 6 times 3, that makes it 18. So now let's check whether my answers are correct or not. I got all correct.